folks, today I went to the Island Tea Company. Quaint, beautiful, little elegant tea shop, shakes, fruit drinks, snacks, neat place. Good little menu, fairly well priced. They got free Wi-Fi. They take Gcash, which is one of my favorite things, and they're climate controlled. It's really cold inside, so you can really just shelter from the heat of the sun on a really hot, humid day. They got the chocolate Oreo shake and the wild berry fruit tea. Delicious. Some beef quesadillas. And actually this was surprisingly good. It was just a simple beef steak with gravy. Sarap sarap naman yan. Don't look for love, look for tea.